welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, it is Sunday evening and I'm filming this video. I went out today. I was going to buy my hairpiece, you know, the bouncy blowout, the hair that I was wearing in my previous video. Now I went into all the hair shops on my high street yesterday and I couldn't find it. Like, they literally did not sell the Femi wig that I wanted, the bouncy blowout. I was like, are you frigging kidding me? I thought, okay. I said, do you guys sell it here? Some of them do, some of them are sold out and everything. I thought to myself, okay, from now on, next time I'm going to be buying my hair and I'm going to buy 2 packs because it's so annoying. But anyway, guys, that's another story. Yeah. Moving on. So I went back up to somewhere else to try and get the hair and they just literally didn't have it. I was so annoyed. I was thinking, oh, what am I gonna do? I just thought, frig it, I'll wear the hair next month. So guys, this is a hair vlog and the hair that I purchased, I have had this before. I can't remember if I've done a vlog on this. I don't think I have done a vlog on this because I think I wore this hair just the month before I started my first ever vlog, but I now have the hair here for you guys. This is the Empress lace front wig. Now this video is not sponsored. I went out to the hair shop and I purchased this lace front with my own money, and this is the hair. So I got this hair color, but I got it in the color 1. As you guys can see, it's in the color 1. I do not wear colored wigs or anything like that. Not brown, not even dark. I won't even go to a dark brown. I will not even wear a wig in dark brown, but I'll wear like braids in my natural hair. That's fine, in my natural hair color. But this is my new hair. So guys, this will be the hair that I'm wearing for the rest of this month. Now I have had this before, as I was telling you guys previously. I do like this hair. And you know the funniest thing, where I normally buy the hair, I wanted to buy a pack and the person blocked me, so I wasn't able to buy it, but whatever, I got the packet now. So let's get into it, guys. This is the hair, how it comes. I have not opened it yet. I'll be doing a live unboxing of this hair right now, so let's get into it. First of all, how would I describe the packaging? It's very eye-catching. It's pink, it's not, it's purple, white and green. This will grab your attention. Imagine if you see that in the hair shop, guys. It's really bright and makes you want to come and get it, right? This is how it comes. And this is the hair, guys. Let's have a look. You can get this in various other colors. So the color you can get is in DX2216. Those are in colors. And I got this in the style Kendra 1. Now, this is a 2-part L shape. Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys. This is how the hair comes in the box. It fits very nicely and it also has the netting over it to protect the hair as well, which is what I really like about that. So we're just gonna take it off. Okay guys, so this is how the hair comes. I cannot wait to wear. I've had this previously. I haven't worn this style in about 2 years actually. That was the last time I wore it. So this is gonna be very gentle. Am I doing this the right way? Okay, that way. So this is the hairnet that comes with the hair. Comes over the hair and it just simply comes like this. Has the border thing to keep the mold, keep the hair mold in shape. Okay, so it's not already cut. That's fine, I can cut it myself. So we're just gonna take this off. I can't remember if I had to pre-cut the other one that I had or if it was cut already. Yeah. I can't remember, but... Okay, so we're just... Oh, feels very soft as well. Very nice and tight curls. this is the hair, guys. This is in the color 1 and it's in the style Kendra. Now it is a bit I wanted it a bit short. This is how I wanted it, so I'll probably end up wearing it like a side parting or something. But yeah, this is it. And let's just get into the detailing of it. So it has 3 combs, 2 at the front, and then there's 2 at the back, and then there's 1 at the back, sorry. So this is the hair, guys. So I'm not going to put it on. I'm going to show you guys in my next video what it looks like on, and I'll have my hair on and everything. So I'm obviously going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and cut the front, or here the netting, as you guys can see, and I'll be wearing this hair in my next video, guys. So pretty happy about it. As I said, it's standard, guys. I've had this hair before. The hair's nice. The curls are tight, which is good. So this is the back. But yeah, guys, in all, I can't wait to wear this. It's nice and short. So yeah, guys. And the curls are nice and tight. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Hope you loved this vlog, and I cannot wait to put this on my head, guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.